नमस्कार दोस्तों. Today is 27th June 2021. Welcome to my channel Trade Plan Nifty. This channel is my journey in stock market. This is a weekly wrap video on Reliance, HDFC Bank and Hero MotoCorp, where in this specific video I will talk about weekly levels for all the three, their trend and my trade plan for them for the coming week. I hope these discussions will add value to your trade setup and your trading idea. So let's first have a look into Lalaji. So when we look on Reliance on weekly chart, what we see is that Reliance, after touching around 2260, has found a resistance at the top, and now we have seen one big red candle specifically after the Reliance AGM, which could not impress the street. But every dip in Reliance is definitely a golden buying opportunity. Now, on weekly basis, when we see Motabai has closed still above 8 bar, 50 bar, and 20 bar moving average. So, definitely in uptrend. And now we see that 50 bar and 20 bar is getting coincide with weekly L3 level, which is at 2055. So, 2055 definitely becomes a very good support for the Reliance in the coming week. Now, when we look on daily chart, we see that Reliance on daily chart has closed below 8 bar, below 20, just about 250. So definitely on daily basis, it is still in downtrend. And now when we look for critical levels, we see that 2055 definitely becomes a very strong support for Reliance because of on daily chart 200 bar moving average, 50 bar moving average, and a weekly L3. Then the second support, the immediate support is at 2080, which is a monthly L3, my blue magical line, and monthly pivot, which is at 2086. So 2086, 2080 is definitely a very good support. After 2080, the second support is at 2055. And if 2055 is broken, then the next support will come at 2005, which is a weekly L4 and monthly L4. So these are the three critical support: 2080, 2055, and 2005. And on the upper side, when we see that Reliance now will have a resistance at 2150, which is a combination of my black, blue, and green line. I use a fairly simple trade setup. If you want to know more about my trade setup, then please check out my video called Trade Setup Explanation. So, what's my trade plan for Reliance? So, my Reliance trade plan is that we need to look for one day where we see a one green candle, and that green candle will act as a reversal pattern for us. So, as of now, my trade plan for Reliance is definitely buy on dip. So, buy on dip in three staggered form. So, if you look into this area, the first is buy one lot at 2080, second lot at 2055, and third lot at 2005 with the stop loss of 1999 for a target of 2260. And we see clearly a 4.4 risk reward ratio for this particular trade. So, idea is buy on dip. One is at 2080, that could be the first buy if you want to be little aggressive, and the second is at 2055, and third is at 2005 with the stop loss of 1999 for a target of 2060 minimum. And if 2060 is broken, then this month target, next month target could be 2317. So that's my trade plan for Motabai, buy on dip. Now let's look into HDFC Bank. Now when we look into HDFC Bank, what we see is that HDFC Bank has shown a very strong reversal. So this is the reversal pattern which I'm yet to discuss. But this is like a doji, and then we have one confirmation green bar. So it shows that this downward trade has reversed. So on weekly basis, HDFC Bank has closed above 20, above 8, and above 50 and 200. So definitely in uptrend. Still looks like that it is in consolidation between 1458 and 1520. So we need to see whether HDFC Bank is comfortably able to close above 1520 or not. Because now 1520 acts as a very strong support for resistance for HDFC Bank, mainly because it is a combination of black, blue, and green and red. Lots of lines are coming and falling in this area. So this zone of 1527 to 1515 is a very critical zone which HDFC Bank needs to cross. On downward side, HDFC Bank will now have a support at 1499, which is weekly pivot as well as weekly L3. And then the next support is at 1480, which is weekly L3 and monthly, weekly L4 and monthly L3. And then definitely the next last support, which is the border of the consolidation, is at 1458. So any dip in HDFC Bank at 1499 or 1480 or 1458 should be bought for a long term target of 1555. So that's the plan for HDFC Bank. Buy on dip at 1499, 1480, and 1458. For all the buy position, the stop loss has to be 1450, which is the bottom of the consolidation. So now let's look into Hero MotoCorp. Now when we look into Hero MotoCorp, we see that Hero MotoCorp on weekly basis, after two consecutive red week, has formed one green week. So there is a reversal here, and but it is still below 20, 50, 200, and just above 8 bar moving average. So on weekly basis also it is showing in downward direction. On daily chart, it has just closed above 8 bar and 50 bar moving average, but still below 220 bar moving average. So here also it is in downtrend, but definitely it has touched the bottom of the consolidation, which is at 2864, and now it has started moving up. So now Hero MotoCorp definitely has a very good support at 2860. Uh, the immediate support is at 2936, which is a combination of multiple green, black, blue, and my few magical lines. And the resistance now Hero MotoCorp will have is at 2975, which is a weekly H4 and 20 bar moving average. So I'm already holding two lots of Hero MotoCorp. So I will just carry on with those two lot and maybe make a fresh entry in Reliance in this week at 2086 and 2055 and 2005. So I look forward to see a one green day in Reliance and maybe take a jump in Reliance uh, to take a ride back towards 2260. So that's my trade plan for Reliance, HDFC Bank, and Hero MotoCorp. I hope these discussions have added value to your trade setup and trading ideas. Stay healthy, wear a mask. Jai Hind.